This Pakistani restaurant in Dubai was a bad experience for us. The place name is Baklieri and it's located at Bur Dubai. The place was nice, staff were friendly, and the food was absolutely delicious. My first try of Pakistani chicken karai stole my heart, and biryani was the star of the show. But here's the twist: what was bad? I loved the food so much that I overdid it. Ate until I felt like I was about to float away. Let's just say that I needed a serious nap to recover. Lesson learned: don't underestimate the tasty food. Until next time, happy eating.